Let me show you how to fix the keys on a 2016-2017 MacBook Pro if they do not work properly. First, we need to remove the keycap like this. Then we need to remove the membrane that's under it. Carefully though, because it tears easily. After that, we need to remove the dome switch because that is 50% of the problem. When turned around, you will see that due to humidity and elevated temperatures, there has formed some sort of a crust. So we need to remove that with a scraper. Next, we need to clean the bottom side of the mechanism with a Q-tip and some alcohol. Once that is done, we put the dome switch back on and we try to seal it with the surrounding plastic. Next, we put back the membrane and place the keycap back in its place. That's it. Now your key should work as good as new. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you on the next one.